The Oslo is the future of electric transportation. We are building the future of electric transportation. We've made it more enjoyable, more efficient, and more harmonious with the world around us. Hardware design matters. The Oslo redefines the promise of electric mobility with thoughtful engineering and flawless attention to design. And the last few years engineering a new kind of bike. We've reimagined movement from the ground up to bring you something unlike anything you've ever seen before. We've also added a throttle, so if you don't want to pedal, you can let the Oslo do the work for you. With the Oslo, we're confident we've created the latest evolution in movement. We designed the battery to make it simpler to use. You can change to a new pack in seconds. We've streamlined the lights, display. Only is the Oslo fun to ride, it shrinks your city and reduces your footprint. We believe that mobility is opportunity and can unlock the potential in everyone. Step onto the Oslo and ride towards a better tomorrow.
A new sense. The ability to not just capture the world in two-dimensional images, but to actually understand it in 3 dimensions. The structure sensor does just that. It's the world's first 3D sensor for mobile devices. Capture every dimension of an entire room in a matter of seconds. And you can send a model to your phone so you can get any dimension you need at any time. We're passionate about giving devices the ability to see and understand the world around them. This isn't about taking pictures. It's about computer vision and interaction. We call it spatial computing. It's much bigger than just us, and it's going to change the way we interact with the world. Let me show you what you can do with it.
What I really am excited about with the structure sensor is it makes it so easy. You can clip it to a mobile device and walk around your world, basically pull your world into a digital form.
My name is Jeff Powers, and I'm a founder of Occipital. We'll play games. Games where the real world becomes the game world. You'll be able to easily capture and send 3-dimensional objects across town or across the world and make decisions together even when you're apart. Level access to the sensor. And if you don't feel like processing raw depth data, you can tap into the high-level APIs. Just write your application in Xcode and hit deploy. You can even launch your app on the App Store. Best user experience of any tablet. And it was important to us to go the extra mile to make Structure work specifically with it. Structure latches securely to your iPad. It connects via the new Lightning connector. Structure's single-piece body is machined from high-grade anodized aluminum. It serves as both a beautiful exterior and as a thermal core that keeps the precision optics inside at an optimal temperature, complete with demo applications that you can use straight out of the box. It will also be providing source code for these demo applications. Details are on our Kickstarter page. As a backer, you'll get frequent updates about new things you can do with your sensor.
Introducing Dory, the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. We're making waves all over again with its small size, premium features, and surprisingly low price point. Dory connects the aquatic world to the masses, so serious adventurers and fun seekers can explore both in and out of the water. Is packed with technology designed to guide and enhance your experience. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. The person who loves bringing technology and family together. Dory makes it easy for anyone to use, even kids. And of course, adventure seekers are all about Dory. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. Clock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. Dory in your backpack? There truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. The high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video, And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. We focused on the end user experience first. So, unlike other underwater drones, you only need to charge the dory itself, not the Wi-Fi buoy or a remote. This means less time spent charging and more time exploring. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet. And with 2 built-in 250 lumen lights, you can find and capture exactly what you small, simple, smart. That's what makes Dory unique. With your pledge, you'll receive the drone, tether, Wi-Fi buoy, and charge.
Introducing the R6 Home, the robot vacuum that works harder, longer, and smarter than any other. From fallen hairs to fallen food, the R6 Home eats it all. It's the pet that cleans up after your other pets.
Plus, its motor has 2,000 pascals of suction power, and it's smart, so it knows to adjust that power depending on what surface it's on. It can clean everything from hardwood to carpet to a thick rug, all while being surprisingly quiet. This is the life.
First time it turns on, the R6 Home uses its laser and camera to create a map of your house in real time. This map gets saved where you can then name each room and tell it exactly where to go.
Adopted was a total sloth. It would clean for barely an hour, and then it'd go take a nap in the living room. Seriously? Meanwhile, our R6 Home has an amazing battery that lets it run for up to 4 hours. So it can clean our entire house with just one charge.
Robots just run around randomly and miss plenty of spots. But the R6 Home plans out an optimal path for maximum coverage and efficiency. It can avoid obstacles, cliffs, and even specific areas you set on the app.
We are proud to pioneer new solutions and integrate them with a dynamic, modern touch that every traveler deserves. Introducing the Escape S, the world's first premium smart luggage with power-generating wheels. Our patented electric-generating spinner wheels and suspension system provide a light, smooth, rolling experience while providing continuous power. Use the app to review the battery and signal dashboard. At the heart of Escape S is our Smart Bond power bank, a Bluetooth ultra-safe TSA-approved, flight-friendly lithium polymer battery. No more outlet campouts. No more dead batteries. 10 minutes of roll time is equivalent to 1 hour and 10 minutes of extra talk time. Enjoy travel fully charged and tether-free. Escape was engineered with the most advanced technology inside and out. Our hydrophobic fabric uses the world's thinnest modified cross-section nanofibers, making the exterior liquid and stain-resistant, as well as extremely durable. Escape S provides instant access to onboard essentials, unique top compartment for easy access as well as a flat-top working surface. From packing to getting through security to long layovers, every feature was meticulously designed to make your travel experience easy. A host of accessories upgrade your travel experience. Removable laptop compartment, travel toiletry bag, smart garment bag, foldable suitcase cover for added protection. With a multi-level telescoping and secondary handles, Escape is easy to carry and stow away.